Welcome viewers to the SD online classes. In this lecture, what we will do is we have been doing chapter 3 till the previous lecture video 5 of chapter 3. This is class 10 MBSC. Name of the chapter is electricity. The pages in your textbook will be 76, 77. Example 1 is there in page number 76. You can turn it on and see. It will be based on the resistance, current, and potential difference. Potential difference is also called voltage. Okay, these three relations, and it is very simple. Calculate the resistance. That means they want you to find the resistance of an electric bulb which uses 15 ampere from the unit. Ampere means current, and it is clearly mentioned 15 ampere current. Okay, also verify always from the unit also. So current I equals to 15 ampere when connected to a 220 volt source, that is the potential difference, or you can call voltage also. Okay, 220 volt. Do not confuse with the symbol of the voltage or potential difference, and its unit volt V. Okay, unit is volt. The name of the physical quantity is potential difference or voltage. Okay, keep in mind. Now, what was the relation connecting these three? You had the Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. You remember V is equal to IR was the relation. In our calculation, we will use R equal to V by I. How I got it? Very easy here. R remains here, V remains here, I is multiplied here, so it will come in the denominator. Okay, because R is what we needed. So this is how you do. If I was needed, you will do V by R. Okay, so what is this? R equal to V is 220. They are both in SI unit. You remember when we studied voltage or potential difference, we call V as the SI unit. A also in the case of current, A was the SI unit. So no need to change anything. You will get in SI unit your answer. So what is this? 15 ones are 15. You are remained with 7017. Okay, 15. How much? Let me divide 220. 15 ones are 15. You get 3, 4, 5. That means 7. 15 fours are 60. Fine. How it is kept coming? 10 is remain. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 6. Then point. You can make it 100. 15 6 90. Again going to be 10, and same way 0 will come. 6 6, that means you can write up to 1 unit. 14.6 ohms. Okay, you can write 6 7 also by doing the rounding off, but it is enough. Now after that we'll go to the second problem. Okay, that's all. This came from how? From Ohm's law. Even if you don't mention, it's okay in the numerical. How you got? This is Ohm's law. Okay, so this is your question number 1. Example number 1 solved. Similarly, number 2, let us see the second question. It says, it is same page number 76 of your textbook. A simple electric circuit, that means there is a wire or any type of connection which is closed, okay, or open also, the electrical circuit where current can pass, has 20 volt battery. That means you have to pick only that. V is 20 volt. Fine. And resistor of 100 ohms. That means another information is given, R equal to 100 ohms. So definitely you can guess current will be asked, because these are the three things you need. So what will be the current in the circuit? So I is your question mark. So again same question, same formula, V is equal to IR. You will use this time I is equal to V by R. How I got this? How I got this? Because V is equal to IR, so that is why I equal to V divided by this, R will go down. Okay, very simple. So now what you will do? I equal to voltage is 20, resistance is 100. Look at the unit, SI unit. Look at the unit, SI unit. So no need to change it. What you get? 2 by 10 is 1 by 5. So 5 is dividing 1. That means 0.2. And what is the unit of current? SI unit, ampere. So how I got this? Let me show you for those who are not very efficient here. You put point and make it 10. Okay, 5 cannot divide 1, so I put point and make it 10. 5 2s are 10, finish. Okay, so this is how you do 0.2 ampere is the answer for this question. So similarly, we'll go to the third question again. Let us see the third. This is the third question. It says calculate the resistance of 50 meter length of a wire. Let us see resistance of 50 meter length. That means L equal to 50 meter. In this chapter, length is always in that formula only, small letter L. Okay, I'll tell the formula what. R equal to L rho L by A. This was the only formula we had. Okay, I'll rewrite it. It was R equal to rho resistivity length by area. Resistance equal to resistivity length. It is not clear, so I have rewritten here. So L is that L of wire of cross sectional area. The area is also given how much? Area is 0.01 millimeter square. Remember, this is not SI unit. A millimeter square is not SI unit. We may need to convert it. Okay. And resistivity is not resistance. It is this one. 5. That is why its unit will be little different. Into 10 to power minus 6. Okay. Ohm. OHM, or you can also write like this, ohm, same symbol. Ohm centimeter. Look at here, centimeter. This is not SI unit. This is SI unit. This is not SI unit. So we will convert them, those which are not in SI unit. So light L is okay. And calculate the resistance. My question is that you find the resistance capital R. There are 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is given, this is given, this is given. You have to find this. That means you have to put all the value, but before putting it, convert it into proper unit. Convert it into proper unit. That is the only thing. So let us see. L is okay. What about A? A equal to 0.01 millimeter is 10 to power minus 3 meter. 1000 times smaller than meter. Okay, so that when you convert into meter, you have to make it small, 10 to power minus 3, but it is 2 times, see, millimeters square. So you have to do it 10 to power minus 3 again, or directly also you can do 10 to power minus 6. So this will become 0.01. What is this? 0.01 is 10 to power minus 2. This itself, 0.01 is what? 0.01 is 1 by 100. Okay, shift 1, 2 digit shifting, 1 by 100. That means what? This is 10 to power minus 2. Okay, 0.01 itself is 10 to power minus 2. This become 10 to power minus 2, 10 to power minus 3, 10 to power minus 3. Now it is meter square. So how much is this? This become, you add all the exponents, 10 to power minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. So A equal to 10 to the power minus 8 meter square. Fine. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 3 added, 10 to power minus. So A is converted, done, ready. Now ohm, the resistivity also. 5 into 10 to power minus 6. I'll write this as like this. Okay, this OHM and this is same. Centimeter. Centimeter to convert into meter, I have to write 10 to power minus 2. Centimeter is smaller unit, make it meter. So you have to do this. Okay, so what it will become? This 2 will get multiplied. 5 into 10 to power minus 6 minus 2 into, what is this? Ohm and meter. Remember earlier it was ohm centimeter, ohm centimeter. Now it become ohm meter, SI unit. So finally rho equal to 5 into 10 to power minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 ohm meter. This is ready, this is ready, this is already ready in the SI unit. So What was the formula? Don't write this is Ohm's law. Okay, this is not Ohm's law. This is the resistance formula which connects it into with the resistivity. Let us put what is the rho? 5 into 10 to power minus 8. In place of this I kept this into L is the numerator 50. What is the denominator? A. What is A after conversion? 10 to power minus 8. Got it? You remember, if everything is in SI unit, the resistance will also come in SI unit. That means ohms will be your answer, right? So R equal to what? 10 to power minus 10, 10 to power minus 10 cancel. Minus 8 and minus 8 cancel. 10 to power minus 8 cancels. 10 to power minus 8. You have 5 into 50. 5 5s are 25 and 1 0. 250 ohms. This will be your resistance answer. Okay. So very simple. Similarly, we'll do the next question again. So this is your question number 4. In your page number 77, after 3, a wire of resistance 12.2 ohms, R equal to 12.2 ohms. The length is 80 centimeter and the area of cross section is 0.020 centimeter square. This can also be written as 2 times, okay, into 10 to power minus 2 centimeter square. They are same. Remember, 20 is not required. Okay, if you want to write 20, then you can write 10 to power minus 3 also you can write. Okay, so this way it is done. Now I'll not convert this centimeter into meter, the SI unit, because most of the things are in centimeter. So I can write my final answer also in that centimeter type of unit. Okay, so calculate the resistivity. Resistivity is what? So what is the formula? Resistivity equal to R A by L. Why this is like this? Because R equal to rho L by A is the formula. So when I want to calculate this, transfer these two things. This will go in the denominator here. You see, this will go to the numerator here. So A is up, L is down. Here in the formula of R, L is up, A is down. In the formula of rho, L will be down, A will be up. Okay, same thing. Now convert all the values, put here 12.2 in place of A, 2 into 10 to power minus 2. I am removing this just to make the calculation easy. Divide by 80. Fine. Now 240 is a right. What else? 12.2 divided by 40 into 10 to power minus 2. I'll write it as 122 by 40 and make it 10 to power minus 3. What I did, I increased the 10 times here and I decreased 10 times here. Decreasing 10 times, this is 10 to power minus 3, and this just to avoid the decimal point. Divide it. 3s are 120. 2 comes. Put 0. It is not possible. What you do? You put 1 0 and then you can add one more 0. 40 5s are 200. 4 5s are 20. Just like that, 40 5s are 200. So what you get? 3.05 into 10 to power minus 3. What is the unit? When you are using ohms and meter, it is ohm meter, but when you are using ohm and centimeter, it will be ohm centimeter. So this is your answer. You can write like this, leave it like this, or you can also write 3 decimal places on the right. 305. 10 to power 3 means here it is from here 1 time, 2 times, and like that 3 times. You understand? It was here, you look at here 1, 2, 3 because of this 10 to power 3. Okay, you can write like this also. Both are correct. So this is also correct and this is also correct, right? This is question number 4 done. Let's wait. Same page, page number 77 of your textbook. The example number is 5. Let us see this. A piece of wire of length L, no numerical value, only for understanding, L is drawn by pulling it till its length become 2L. A wire is there whose length is L, okay, L centimeter or L meter, it is pulled double. They have pulled it. Okay, earlier it was like this. Understand? When you pull, what will become? It will become thin. Okay, remember, double length 12. If it is 4, it has become 8, like that. Okay, and when you do that, what happened? Its original area here, the area this side was A. Now this area will become A by 2, because when you pull something, what will happen? It will become thin. So area is reduced. Can you see? Length is increased, it become longer, but the area, its thickness, okay, become small, A by 2. Suppose this is the wire they are giving us in the question. Okay, by pulling, its length becomes 12, and piece of wire of length is drawn by pulling it till its length become 12. Then compare the new resistance with the original value. Now let us see. Let A is the original area of cross section, you can write, or even if you write only area, it is understood. Okay, now R will be equal to what? Rho L by A. We know all of this. R is L by A. Now new length is 12. So new area will be A by 2. Okay, and new resistance will become rho. What is L? L has become double, 12. What is A? A has become A by 2. Okay, important. In place of L I put 12. In place of A I put A by 2. Let us go on. 2 rho L divided by 2 will go up here, rho will remain here, A will remain here. Okay, this 2 will go up. This 2 is in the denominator of the denominator, so it will go up. It will become 2 to the 4 rho L A. So now look at here, what is the new resistance? New resistance and the old resistance earlier, rho L by A. Now it is 4 rho L by A. That means what? That means new resistance divided by old resistance equal to 4 rho L by A divided by rho L by A. What is this? Cancelling everything, you will remain only with 4. Rho and rho will cancel, L and L will cancel, A and A will cancel. That means what? The new resistance is 4 times increased. So you have to understand from this problem that when you elongate a wire, make it longer, the resistance generally increases, becomes more than the earlier resistance. Okay, and this is also important thing, if you make the length double, the area will be half of that. Okay, that is important. So this is question number 6. This question number 6 is also in your page number 77. You can look in your textbook. Question number 6 says the potential difference between the terminals of electric heater is 60 volt. That means what? You are going to write potential difference 60 volt, and then it draws a current 4 ampere, I equal to 4 ampere from the source. Okay, now what current will the heater draw? Same heater, suppose you have one heater here, I'll draw with like this. Okay, this is a heater. Suppose this heater was given 60 volt, 1 ampere, its resistance is same. Okay, fixed. Same heater will be used in another condition. Here the potential difference will be changed, 120 volt. This is changed to here 120 volt, and what will be the current here? That is your question. Okay, very easy. This is voltage 1, current 1, voltage 2, current 2. But there is one important thing, that if you use the same resistance here and here, same heater, don't change the heater, that means R will be same. Okay, that is not told anywhere here, but you have to understand from the question that electric heater is done such and such, and what current will the heater means what, same heater they are using, that means R is same. The heater, as soon as you read, you have to understand R is same and same here. So let us find R from here and use it here. Okay, here R equal to V1 by I1. V and I is no problem, you can write V and I also, no need to write 1 and 1 if you don't want, or if you want to separate it from 2, you can write also. Very simple. 60 by 4, this is 15 ohms. So once the resistance is ready, use it here. Here what is I2? I2 is V2 by R. This is what? Formula of Ohm's law. This is also from Ohm's formula. Here Ohm's law, here also Ohm's law. Here why I wrote this? Because I want this. Resistance is already got here 15. So what it will give you? V2 is 120 volt. Resistance is 15. Okay. So what is this? 15. 15 6 are 90, 15 7s are 105, 15 8s are 120. So I2 is 8 ampere. So let us understand everything. 60 volt 4 ampere current was drawn. 120 volt 8 ampere current. What is the meaning? You increase the voltage, current will increase. Increase the voltage, see. You double the voltage, current is also double. Can you see? Ohm's law is, that is what is Ohm's law. It is an example of Ohm's law also. Resistance is same. 60 volt I made is 120 volt. The current was 4 ampere. It became 8 ampere. Okay. This is the perfect example of knowing what is your Ohm's law. Okay. That is all in your numerical. These 6 numericals are important for solving others also. Thank you.